Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in again here, and thank you to all my subscribers here on my YouTube channel. I wanted to show you guys this 1971 Chevrolet Nova that came in from Texas. This is a beautiful car, driver quality. It's not a show car, but it's nice enough to take to a car show and to a cruise night and open up the hood and have a good time. It's not going to break the bank either. So it's a really nice GM blue color in paint all around. All of the chrome on the car, back and front, are brand new. I have invoices for it. The trunk I left open here to show you. Solid trunk, driver's side quarter. There's your GM stampings there. It is original, okay, but the bottom half of it has been redone. So they cut this and they put new metal, and they did a really nice job, really smooth, no bondo at all, as you can see. Same on the passenger side, solid trunk, solid quarters. Trunk, underneath the trunk lid has been painted. Nice paint. All my cars are wet sanded and buffed out, and then we add a paint correction. And that's why you see this magnificent shine, mirror finish reflection on all of my cars. Continuing, all the window trim is in very good condition all around. The window trim around the windows have been painted. Chrome door handles look good. Dual sport mirrors, and obviously vent windows on both sides, the vent quarter windows. SS louvers on the hood. Brand new front chrome bumper. Grille looks excellent along with both headlights. So the car's been upgraded. BF Goodrich G-Force tires, which are not cheap. Okay. Definitely four-wheel power disc brakes on the 17-inch American Racing wheel. The back is a little bit bigger in size. It's a 255/40 ZR17, and again, power disc in the rear as well. Underneath the car is dry as a bone. There's the rear leaf springs added, so you can raise that and lower the rear end as you like. There's your traction bars and your Big 10 rear end in the car. Very nicely done. Dual exhaust. Straight dual exhaust. Pair of nice mufflers. I think they're Flowmaster, but solid underneath. New bushings on the subframe, as you can see. All right. So let's check out the engine compartment. Actually, let's check out the interior first. I'll get a wiper blade on there. The car came with only one, believe it or not. So I have that one. I will install it. The interior is a black bench seat interior. Door jambs are done nicely. Door panels are brand new on the car. Factory steering wheel, brand new dash pad. Car shows 42,000 miles. Believed to be original from what the previous owner has told me, but I'm not going to agree to that at this time because I really don't know. Hurst 4-speed shifter, as you can see, RPM tack, and then you got a couple switches there for auxiliary fans. Headliner's nice and tight. Dome lights does not work. It's missing a bulb, and I will add a bulb in there. So there you go, my 1971 Nova. So what I'm going to do is fire up the car. You can listen to the motor. It's a 350. with an M21 4-speed transmission. Let's check that out. All right, couple pumps. Oil pressure on idle shows at about 50, and in gear it's at about 75. There's your tach as well. This is your fan switch, your auxiliary fan, but the stock fan runs on a temperature gauge. The door, sometimes you gotta slam it to close it. Car sounds really good, and that's just on idle. Aluminum radiator. Here's your dual fan setup, newer alternator, battery. You got electric choke, Edelbrok Performer intake, EPS setup, power steering, power disc, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Sounds like it should. It's got some power too. I would estimate 375 horse. You guys ready to go for a ride? Let's do it. So I inspect all my cars that I buy, and I fix them. Okay. There's a few things I wanted to share with you on this one. Let me just shut the car off for 1 second. So here you go. Stock number 170. Fixed driver's side interior handle was loose. I fixed that. Replaced front and rear bumpers. I ordered and fixed that. I replaced the rear bezels. I did use used ones. Those are replaced. I had to remove the shoulder belts on the car because they weren't the right ones. I had to straighten out the driver's side headlights. Took care of that. Replaced throttle spring. I took care of that. What's not working is the wipers, horn, volts, and turn signals. Those are 4 things that are not currently working. Replace panel for toggle switch area, which I did. Remove gauge package, which I did. The car used to pull to the right on the brake. I took care of that. And then I rerouted the battery. It says to the trunk, but I actually did it in the engine compartment, and you can see that. And then I'm going to get some wire covering kit for the engine compartment, just to clean up a little bit more than what you see now. So that's my inspection list. There's one blemish on the paint that I wanted to show you, which I overlooked because it's really small, but it's right over here. Let me make sure I see it. I believe it was right over here. It's really small. There's a little scratch there, but that's not the one that I, oh, here it is. See, it's by the body line, and there's a little dimple here. It's hard to see, but it's right there. It's really small, a little smaller than a penny size. But I do all my own inspections. Most of my sales are, on-site, unseen. So I need to make everyone be aware of exactly what's going on. So I'll mount the camera right there. We'll go for a ride. Let's check it out. With these wing windows, these quarter windows that open all the way, get some nice fresh air in here. This 350 obviously has a set of headers on it, so it does scoot out pretty good. The 4-barrel car. Speedo does work as well. Overheating problems. car's running right now at 180. Doesn't get past 190. With all new bushings on the car, it does drive straight down the road, and it steers excellent around the turns as well. It sounds healthy too. Thank you. Thank you. Yep, get compliments everywhere you go with this thing. So there you go, folks. Beautiful 71 Nova at an affordable price. Look around, go on the internet, go look at other Novas from 68 to 72, and you'll see my price is really good. This M21 shifts really nice. It's a great hot rod. Everyone smiles at you when you're driving this car, guys. Gals. Woo. Starts up all the time, reliable. Do a couple 100-mile tour, have fun on a Saturday, Sunday. Go to car shows, enjoy your time. Drive your classic cars. They're not meant to sit in the garage and polish. Drive them, enjoy them, go through the gears. Nothing better than a 4-speed. Woo! This is why you buy a muscle car. Hurst shifter. This thing is freaking fun. Woo! Man, I'm having a blast. Woo, woo, woo! You don't even need a stereo, guys. I'm telling you. This sound is music to your ears. So listen, if you need delivery, email me or text me. Those are the two best ways. You can email me through the site. I do respond quickly, or you can text me at 847-848-1850. I'll just need your zip code. I'll get you a nice little quote and get this thing delivered to your garage. I do over 100 photos, so you know what you're buying. I show you all the flaws. I tell you what's good, what's bad. I point them out. I'm 100% feedback on eBay. And I got great reviews, and I'm proud of it. This thing takes bumps pretty good too. Man, is that music to your ears, and you guys know it. You know it. Downshift's really nice too. So listen, if you need financing, okay? If you need financing, guys, if your score is about a 650 to about a 725, call my guy at JJ Best. His name is Chris Laganelli. He can be reached at 508-415-1035. Now, JJ Best requires about normally 10% down, so keep that in mind. But if your credit score, is over 750 into the 800s, and you want to put some money down, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine too. I have a second bank, lightstream.com. Go on the computer, type in lightstream.com. They do loans for every application. Fill it out, the money you want to borrow. They'll approve you in 15 minutes. They'll put put the money in your account. By the way, that sounded really good. To put the money in your account, then we do business. Be sure you text me or email me, and if you're ready to buy, call me. But if you want to just shoot the shit, don't call me, I'm telling you. I put everything in my details. If there's anything that I've missed, yes, call me, not a problem. I'm a one-man show, and I'm busy. I'm busy inspecting quality classic cars so I can resell them to the public for everyone to be happy. I tour the country to find the cars. I look at about 10 cars before I buy one because they gotta be nice. This is nice. So again, you've seen everything. You've seen all the photos. You've seen my inspection video that you're watching. You've seen the flaws. You've seen the good, the bad. You've heard the financing. You know where I'm located. Great reviews. Make the move. You never know what to expect in life, okay? Enjoy yourself. Spend a little money in a good investment. You're not gonna lose your money on my purchase price because these things climb in value every year. I don't have to prove that to you. You guys and gals already know that, okay? So, my number is 847-848-1850. Call me if you're ready to buy. Text me with any questions. Check out all my photos at mgmclassiccars.com. I got about 50 quality classics available on the market, all different makes and models. So there you go. That was the test drive on my 71 Nova. Free and clear title as well. Okay, no liens. I pay off all my cars. I buy them outright, fix them, and get them back to the general public. So, you guys got my info. mgmclassiccars.com. Talk to you soon.